Open with an engaging and enthusiastic greeting to capture viewers' attention. Briefly introduce the concept of manifesting and the focus on energy healing modalities. Overview of energy healing modalities. Provide a concise explanation of Reiki, acupuncture, and crystal healing. Highlight how these practices work with the body's energy to promote balance and well-being. Connection to manifestation. Explain the link between energy healing and manifestation. Emphasize how aligning your energetic field can positively impact your ability to manifest desires. Deep dive into each modality. Reiki. Explain the basics of Reiki and how it channels universal energy. Discuss how Reiki can remove energetic blockages and enhance the manifestation process. Acupuncture. Introduce acupuncture and its focus on balancing the body's energy through meridian points. Explore how acupuncture can contribute to a harmonious energy flow, supporting manifestation goals. Crystal healing. Discuss the use of crystals to amplify and direct energy. Highlight specific crystals known for their manifestation properties. Practical tips. Offer practical tips for incorporating these modalities into daily life for manifestation purposes. Provide guidance on creating a personalized energy healing routine. Success stories or testimonials. Share real-life success stories or testimonials related to manifestation through energy healing. Closing. Summarize key points. Encourage viewers to try incorporating these practices into their lives. Invite them to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Outro. Display relevant social media handles, links, or additional resources. Express gratitude for viewers' time and interest. Remember to maintain a conversational and engaging tone throughout the video, and consider using visuals such as graphics or demonstrations to enhance the content. Certainly. Here are some potential benefits associated with the energy healing modalities mentioned in the context of manifestation. Reiki. Stress reduction. Reiki promotes relaxation and reduces stress, creating an environment conducive to positive manifestation. Balanced energy. By balancing the body's energy, Reiki helps remove blockages and supports the free flow of life force energy, aiding in manifestation. Acupuncture. Energetic balance. Acupuncture stimulates specific points to balance the flow of energy in the body, fostering an overall sense of well-being that can contribute to successful manifestation. Harmony in mind and body. The balancing effects of acupuncture may enhance mental clarity and focus, important factors in the manifestation process. Crystal healing. Amplification of intentions. Crystals are believed to amplify and direct energy. Using crystals in manifestation rituals can intensify the power of intentions. Alignment of vibrations. Crystals are said to vibrate at specific frequencies. Choosing crystals that align with your goals can help attune your energy to the desired outcome. Overall benefits. Holistic well-being. Engaging in these energy healing practices contributes to overall holistic well-being, addressing physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of an individual. Enhanced intuition. Some practitioners report an increased sense of intuition and clarity, helping individuals make choices aligned with their manifestation goals. It's important to note that individual experiences with energy healing can vary, and these benefits are often reported anecdotally. Additionally, these practices are not a substitute for professional medical or psychological care, but can complement a holistic approach to well-being. Always consult with qualified practitioners or healthcare professionals as needed. In conclusion, the fusion of manifestation practices with energy healing modalities such as Reiki, acupuncture, and crystal healing offers a captivating journey towards holistic well-being and the realization of your desires. By understanding and embracing these ancient techniques, you empower yourself to navigate the energetic currents of your life. Reiki, with its ability to release stress and foster a balanced energy flow, sets the stage for a receptive environment where manifestations can flourish. Acupuncture, by targeting specific energy points, harmonizes the body's life force, contributing to mental clarity and focus crucial for successful manifestation. Crystal healing, with its amplifying properties and vibrational alignment, becomes a potent ally in directing and intensifying your intentions. As you embark on this transformative path, remember that the true power lies within you. These modalities serve as tools to unlock and channel your inner energy, aligning it with the universe's flow. The journey of manifestation through energy healing is a personal and evolving exploration, a dance between your intentions and the universal energies that surround you. Incorporate these practices with an open heart and a focused mind. Listen to the whispers of your intuition, and allow the energy to guide you towards the fulfillment of your goals. As you weave the threads of energy healing into your manifestation tapestry, may you find empowerment, balance, and the realization of your deepest desires. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of manifesting magic through energy healing. May your journey be filled with abundance, positivity, and the manifestation of your dreams. Until next time, stay connected to the magic within you.